Hi guys, are you designing a study table for your home? Then you are on the right channel. Myself, Amit from Ra Studio Homes will help you to and guide you how to design a beautiful study table for your home. For that, stay with us.
Okay, let's start the session. First, I'm going to tell you what are the standard dimensions of the study table. Then I'm going to explain one by one where we are commonly mistaking while designing the study table. Let's start. Now, what is the height of the study table if you are come in your mind? It should be normally considered as 750 mm to 800 mm, the normal height of the study table. Then in your mind, the next question will be, what is the depth of the study table? Now, if you consider the depth of the study table, it should be 500 mm to 550 mm, normal depth of the study table. Now, if you consider what is the width of the study table, the normal and standard dimensions of the study table is 900 mm to 950 mm. But if your room is too much big, then you can go for bigger or wider dimensions like this shown in the pop-up video. But if your room is smaller in size, then you can go for a corner designed study table where it will utilize your proper area. You can see in this pop-up video. Now, next in your mind comes, what is the distance between study table and overhead unit. Now, it is normally considered as 750 mm to 800 mm. Now, after then next comes in your mind, what should be the depth of the overhead shelf so that it should be comfortable with study. So, the depth of the overhead unit will be 6 inches less than the width of the study table, so that it will be avoiding a collision between our head and this, and so these are the standard dimensions of the study table. Now I'll going to explain you one by one what are the mistakes while designing the study table. If you consider first one, it will be a direction. In which direction you are going to study? The preferred directions are north and east for the studying, but northeast also be the good direction. So if your study table pointing to this section, north, northeast and east, it will be a good direction for the study. The second one will be where and which wall we want to design a study table. For that, the preferred wall should be the window side wall, because there will be a continuous flow of the air, so that it will provide freshness to our mind. So it will be good for our mind. So it will be good for our mind. So we have to provide or we design a study table near to the window. Next will be where we want to design a study table if window is not available. In such case, we have to design a study table opposite to the bathroom wall, because study table should not be facing towards the bathroom wall, because it will some sort of negative energy, and also it disturbing us so much. So it is better to provide a study table opposite to the bathroom wall. The next will be switches and sockets, where we want to provide switches and sockets. If you consider switches and sockets, then it should be 150 to 200 above the study table, so that it will avoid the normal bend of the wire. So in this pop-up where you can see they are provide the switches almost close to the study table, so that in this case there is a chances of getting wire damage is more. So, if you are considering this much information while designing the study table, then you are going to design a good and a scientific study table. Here, some of the study table we designed. You can refer this study table for your reference.
So I hope this information will help you to design a beautiful study table for your home by avoiding common mistakes while designing the study table. So kindly like, share and subscribe for such more informative videos. Thank you all.